Hey guys, Master Gaming coming to you. I'll be showing you guys a replay on how to use the Three Musketeers deck, on how to use the Ice Spirits and other troops. So let's get into it. First of all, I need to open this chest and show you the deck I use, just in case you're wondering. Now we're gonna go back. Yeah, having a little bit of glitch. Keep on saying deck. Yeah, this is my other deck in case you wanna learn. So, now I'll just show you all some of my replays. I keep winning, hardly lose any match. Now these can have big accounts where I have more troops than you think, but I'm gonna show you all the basics on how to grow from Frozen Peak up to the Jungle Arena. So let's get into it. Now I'm looking for a match and the game is starting. But now we'll start with the Hog Rider and the Goblins. You see, y'all seen how I went aggressive on there? Well, that was a bad poison. That was a bad poison by me. Should have turned the other way. Now I'm gonna get a few witch hits, but still, I still got some damage on this town hall. Yeah, I want you to see how the bats are going to handle that balloon. Even if the bats didn't work, we'll still have our tornado to still take care of that. Now we'll just keep our zap. Yep, yep, yep. We'll just zap that. And yeah, I think we got this town hall. Seems like it's angry, but yeah, the game. That's a good one. All right. Now our opponent just deployed the prince, but yeah, we totally handled that easy. Now I'm wondering, should I go for the trickster? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for the trickster. Seeing how easy he is, I'm just gonna go the bats in the other lane so that he won't know how to counter. Because if I had gone bats in this other lane, I would still waste time when I could just use the wizards and the tornado. And you all seen how I'm countering that easily, right? Shouldn't be hard enough. This is a very great push, very good at stuffing loons, and I didn't get any hit off my town hall. I think I'll be going aggressive with the Pekka and the goblins. I think so. That might be a great push. Should I? Yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna do it. Now I'm just gonna deploy my poison. Oops, wrong placement. Yeah, but still, we still get the prince. This shouldn't be hard. Oh, what the hell is it doing? Well, I hope I can. Oh shit! Oh shit! I hate the clean spell. Well, I've gotten two of his town hall towers now, so I'm just gonna put Goblin Hog in the other side. Okay, I'll just put my bat to take care of that easily. Yeah, or I could just use Tornado. Are y'all seen how we totally roasted this dude? Well, good game from Mag Roost. That's a good game. And now I'll hop into another live battle. So let's get into it. All right, let's wait for what our opponents to do. If your opponent don't wants to put a trip, you might just start with the oh wow. Well, going aggressive on the golem there, I see. But that shouldn't be so hard for the Pekka to handle. Sure is it now? I don't think I should need it. I'm gonna crush that troop so easily. Are y'all seeing the importance of the mini Pekka in this deck? Mini Pekka is actually a good block. Now I'm just gonna go hog and bats. So yeah, that's gonna make things easier for me. I'm gonna keep my zap in case I see any. Oh no. Wait, is that level 6 knight? Well, that's very poor from our opponent. My ice wizard is going to handle that, and I'll get a few hits off the town hall. Now I'm using the ice wizard. Well, I think that was actually a bad needle by me. Oh shit. The main deal is for the hog to get a hit off a town hall. I'm just gonna zap that, and shouldn't be hard. Let's see what our opponent will do. Well, good game from here. Good game. Now I think I basically know who I'm playing against. This shouldn't be hard. This shouldn't be hard. That Canon is going to do work on my ice wizard, but yeah, let's just see what happens. That's good. Now I'm gonna just gonna go aggressive here. Okay, he has the elite buffs. Wait, is that level 7? I think my bats can just quickly handle that. Yeah, that's good. From here, we'll be looking at the next play my opponent will be doing. I'm just gonna zap that. Oh, level 2 ice fruit. I don't know who does that anymore. Really think I should poison this, but no, I'm just gonna go ice wizard instead. The goblin should handle that, and I should also put my hog there. I need some poison, poison, poison. Okay, for a moment I thought my opponent just quit, but still, I'm still leading. Normally I think I should 3-star, but I don't feel like. Oh shit! Now I'm just playing shit, but still, it's a good game because of this match is actually mine, so there's nothing that's gonna happen. One rule about this game is once if you're gathering troops, no, it's gonna be super easy to counter. And I just put my needles there, and that's just about it. And my opponent just put 3 good exiler. No skin on there, so I think we are matched basically in exiler. So I would just deploy my mini pack on the other hand and place my hog. Well, it's going on again. It's going on with the golden push again. Well, yeah, I think the mini Pekka shouldn't struggle. That should be an easy kill. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good game. Good game by some Arabic dude. Don't actually know his name, so I'm not trying to be racist. So I'm just gonna do it. Okay, by Nicolo 8, right? And I think this we're going to be hoping to our next live battle. But if y'all want to see me go, I can't go basically because of this video is gonna be too long. So if y'all want to see me going, y'all have to just subscribe to my YouTube channel and check for more. So yeah, we just hop into the next battle. And here we go. Well, opponent just started off with the Giant skeleton and the witch. I think I'll just go with the. I think I'll just go with the mini Pekka. Boom. There. I'm just going. I'm not talking anymore. Just want you guys to just see how the match is gonna be. All right. Now let's see what we're looking at actually. John Frozen Peak is actually an easy arena because of you don't basically see the hard people you're supposed to be seeing. You know, just have that. I think I'm lagging. I think I'm really lagging. See how those goblins handle that? I don't even need my bats or any troops. The goblins can handle that pretty well. 1-0. Well, don't think I actually have anything for this. That's why I think it's better some of y'all use the skeleton army, the scammy, or y'all use the other skeleton guards. Yeah, guards. Guards can actually serve as good defense for the goblins. The guards have more life through Exila, but goblins through Exila, but still, I think guards would pretty much better. So I think I'm just gonna go hog over here. Oh fuck, fuck, I'm fucking lagging. What the fuck is going on? Oh yeah, y'all seen Clash Royale, right? This is one of the epic basic problems of the Clash Royale, but yeah, well, I got a few hits off my town hall, but yeah, I think my hog is gonna do work. I need my zap. I think I'm still lagging. Yeah, I'm definitely lagging. But still, my upgrade is gonna buy me some time. So yeah, let me just see what's the oh bullshit. Oh, sorry, y'all have to see this, but don't worry, I can get this fixed. Oh no. Alright, I'm still gonna counter all these troops no matter the lag, and I want to show you guys how are we doing that. Now I'm just gonna use my mini Pekka before it gets too close to my ice wizard. Boom! There we go, guys. There's your easy counter you've been looking for. I think I'm just gonna go hog over here. Oh, I'm lagging again. Clash Royale problems, right? Yeah, oops. Think I made a little bit of mistake there. Zap zap. Yeah. Did y'all see that real time zap? But still was still beating this enemy. Well, can't really believe who I'm playing against, but yeah. Let's just see what happens. Alright? I'm just gonna go poison. Yeah, handled that pretty well. Now I'll go bats. If he doesn't zap, then that's a good game for me. Okay, yeah, he arrowed. I'm just going to go with my ice wizard again. Ice wizard is basically the strongest troop in this game I know. Actually, I said guard is better. It's better y'all use guard instead of the goblins, because of guard goblins don't kill hog, don't kill prince, but guards do. Well, from here I basically think it's a good game. I want y'all to subscribe for more videos. See my page, and I'm gonna show you how to keep on leveling to more arena. So that's a good game. 6, 5, 4. We handled those guys pretty well. That's a well played. Good game. Yeah.